Chef Shrimpy's Detox and Anti-Inflammatory Green Smoothie for Wellness and Vitality audio recipe, a chef's knowledge, directions, and tips. Detox and refresh. The ultimate celery, tomato, green bell pepper, cucumber, and ginger smoothie. Looking for a natural way to boost your energy, detox your body, and improve digestion? These celery, tomato, green bell pepper, cucumber, and ginger smoothie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to keep you feeling refreshed and revitalized. This is one of my detox green smoothies that I have been drinking for over a decade. So this smoothie recipe I am sharing with you because I know it works. You will feel the benefits right away. Each ingredient in this smoothie is carefully chosen for its powerful health benefits. Let's break down why this smoothie is a must-have for your daily wellness routine. Health benefits of each ingredient. Celery, the hydration hero. Celery is made up of 95% water, making it an excellent ingredient for hydration. It's also loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation, fiber for digestion and gut health, electrolytes to keep your body balanced. Bonus: celery is known to reduce bloating and support heart health by lowering blood pressure. Tomato, the heart-healthy superfood. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against heart disease, supports skin health by fighting UV damage, helps reduce inflammation in the body. Bonus: tomatoes are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps the body absorb iron. Green bell pepper, the vitamin C booster. Green bell peppers are a nutrient powerhouse, loaded with vitamin C to strengthen immunity, vitamin A for healthy skin and vision, fiber to support digestion. Bonus: green bell peppers are low in calories but high in antioxidants, making them great for weight loss. Cucumber, the cooling detoxifier. Cucumbers are incredibly refreshing and help flush out toxins from the body, support hydration with their high water content, reduce inflammation and bloating. Bonus: cucumbers contain silica, which promotes healthy skin and hair. Ginger, the digestive healer. Ginger has been used for centuries for its powerful medicinal properties. It helps soothe digestion and relieve bloating, reduce inflammation and muscle pain, boost metabolism, and aid in weight loss. Bonus: ginger is a natural immune booster, helping fight off colds and infections. How to make this power-packed smoothie. Ingredients: 8 ounces green bell pepper, 1 pound cucumbers, 10 ounces tomatoes, 8 ounces celery, 1 ounce ginger, 2.5 cups water. Instructions: 1. Wash and chop all the ingredients into small pieces. 2. Add everything to a blender with water. 3. Blend until smooth and creamy. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. This recipe makes about 5 servings. Store the rest in the refrigerator for your daily intake. Why you'll love this smoothie. All-natural detox. Flushes out toxins and supports digestion. Immune boosting. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Weight loss friendly. Low in calories but high in nutrients. Refreshing and hydrating. Perfect for hot days or post-workout recovery. Can also serve as a flu remedy for those who practice a healthy diet. 24-hour of continuous consumption with no acidic food intake guarantee you result and relief. Final thoughts. Drinking this smoothie regularly can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it as a morning detox drink or a midday energy boost, your body will thank you for it. Of course, making this juice begins with the needs of your body. Discarding what doesn't come out as juice, I firmly believe that a huge portion of the nutritional value has been tasked away in the garbage. That's why I highly recommend blending your juices for consumption, and always remember that what you are throwing away using the juicing method is still a part of the fruits or vegetables. Fiber. Total recipe: 1 batch. Nutrition facts. Yields: 4 cups of juice after blending and optional straining. Serving size: 1 cup. Servings per recipe: 4. Per serving, 1 cup. Calories: 45. Total fat: zero point 0.5 gram. Saturated fat, 0 gram. Cholesterol, 0 milligram. Sodium, 60 milligrams. Potassium, 500 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 10 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Sugars, 5 grams naturally occurring. Protein, 2 grams. Vitamin A, 25% daily value. Vitamin C, 70% daily value. Calcium, 4% daily value. Iron, 6% daily value. Ingredient-based nutrient highlights. Cucumbers, hydrating, low-calorie, vitamin K. Tomatoes, vitamin C, lycopene, potassium. Bell pepper, high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Celery, electrolytes. Fiber, vitamin K. Ginger, anti-inflammatory, aids digestion. Want more healthy recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel Chef Shrimpy Cooking Corner for easy, delicious smoothies and meals. Don't forget to follow along on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and check out my website for all natural seasonings and sauces to elevate your healthy cooking.